Hi everyone, in this video, today my topic Wixa create website. Second part Wixa create website. Step 2 choose a Wixa template. First step First step sign in a Wixa. Sign in Wixa app Wixa website create. And second choice template Wixa template. What kind of website do you want to create? Upon clicking the get start upon clicking the the get started button on the home page, Wixa will ask that type of website you want to create. Wixa will offer specific categories for want to choice and other options. What kind of website do you want to create? What kind of website? What kind of website do you want to create? Business, designer, blog, online store, restaurant, food, beauty, wellness, photographer, CV, other events, fitness, music, overall topic wise explanation. You will have options that range from creating an online store, creating a professional portfolio, port, portfolio website, create a blog, creating a fitness website, creating a food website, and the list goes on. When you select other at then at the bottom right corner, if you choose the option to create a Wixa blog, I recommend reading my guide on writing a blog post that converts my how to monetize a blog. Once you selected an option, Wixa will present you with another screen that will provide two more options to choose from. The first option will be using the Wixa ADI or the Wixa website builder. Two options. Let's Wixa ADI create website. Create a website with editor. Start now template show. What is Wixa ADI? What is Wixa ADI? ADI means ADI means algorithm decision. The Wixa ADI is an algorithm that makes smart decision to create your website based on questions you answered. The Wixa ADI uses predictive technology to make this possible. You can customize Wixa templates that the Wixa ADI algorithm choices. After all, it is an algorithm that required a human touch. If you select the Wixa editor option, you will be directly negated, navigated to a series of Wixa template based on your selected category. Once you Once you choose a Wixar template, you will then have the opportunity to create a Wixar website. Pick a Wixar template. Templates, otherwise good feature templates. 500 Wixar template exist to create a website. The Wixar API is capable 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 of producing billions of combinations of images and text. Choice visually. Once you choose your template, you cannot change it. You will need to create a new Wixar website. Wixar website free, new user. If you would like to create a Wixar e-commerce site, I advise using one of the Wixar e-commerce that I have picked below. Recommendations are based on my expertise in UX design in URO mean conversion rate optimization. Conversion rate. CRO means conversion rate optimization. Best part practice. What is CRO? What is UK? Recommend Wixar e-commerce template. This site will convert well out of the gate due to a good CTA. Call to action. Session upon site entry. Additionally, category buttons make Finder products immediately accessible access, accessible to the user. This Wixar template is perfect for my product, not just menswear. The minimalistic design and image calculus create a seamless design that ambitions the products. I especially recommend this Wixar template for higher end goods. Step 3. Step 3. First step, sign in. Second, templates. Third, site. Design your site. As mentioned, the ADI option will design your Wixar site for you by choice the editor option. The design is 100% up to you. At the design stage, you will see the Wixar website builder. By choosing the Wixar editor option, you will see survival customization option. At this point, let's walk thought a tutorial on how I make a Wixar website using the Wixar website builder step by step. My channel subscribe, and next video part 3. This video I hope good information every person. My channel subscribe, like, share and press bell icon.